How to remove the filters on a Dyson DC18. Now the first one is quite obvious. You take the bin off and it's underneath the handle. This is a pre-motor filter. It can be washed and then dried overnight before use. The one that you'll no doubt wanted to know how to remove is this one, the HEPA filter. You need to take out the wand handle and put that to one side. Now you need a T15 Torx screwdriver. This is to remove these two screws on the back, where this little part is that you wrap your cable around. If you just undo these and then lift this off, this allows you to twist the filter cover clockwise and then lift off, and the filter is in there. To get the filter out, it's not ever so easy. You just grab the square little bit on the filter and just prise it out. Keep going around with these clips that seem to hold it in place, and eventually it'll wiggle out there. And there it is, the filter that you've been trying to remove. Now to put it all back together, do it in reverse order. Put the filter cover back on, replace this little bracket, put your wand handle back down into place, and then obviously put your bin back on the vacuum, and you're back to being able to vacuum clean again. I do hope that you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more help videos. This next one is if your Dyson is making a strange noise when you turn it on and when you turn it off.